Joseph Massino, a name that strikes fear into the hearts of many, is a former American gangster and the once-feared boss of the Bonanno crime family. His criminal activities, ruthless leadership, and pivotal role in the American Mafia make for a fascinating and controversial story. However, it is his unprecedented decision to break the code of silence, known as Omertà, and cooperate with the government that truly distinguishes him. Joseph Massino was born on January 10, 1943, in Brooklyn, New York. Growing up in a neighborhood heavily influenced by organized crime, he was seduced by the allure and power associated with the mob from an early age. Massino quickly climbed the ranks of the Bonanno crime family and proved himself as a capable and ruthless enforcer. In the early 1990s, Joseph Massino assumed the position of boss of the Bonanno crime family, one of the 5 families of the American Mafia. Known for his cold and calculated demeanor, Massino solidified his control over the criminal organization and expanded its illicit activities. His reign as boss saw a resurgence of the Bonanno crime family's power and influence, including involvement in extortion, racketeering, drug trafficking, and various other illegal enterprises. In 2004, Joseph Massino's empire came crashing down when he was arrested and charged with multiple crimes, including 7 murders. Facing the possibility of the death penalty, Massino made an unprecedented decision in the history of the American Mafia. He became a government informant. By breaking the code of silence and providing vital information and testimonies, Massino assisted in successful prosecutions of numerous high-ranking members of organized crime families. Joseph Massino's cooperation had a profound impact on the American Mafia and law enforcement efforts against organized crime. His testimony led to the dismantling of several criminal operations and dealt a severe blow to the Bonanno crime family. Massino's revelations and cooperation with law enforcement exposed the inner workings of the Mafia, its hierarchies, and its secrets, forever altering the dynamics of organized crime in America. As a result of his cooperation, Joseph Massino received a reduced sentence and was sentenced to life in prison without parole. His decision to betray his oath of loyalty and disclose vital information continues to be a subject of controversy and debate. Some view him as a traitor, while others see him as a crucial catalyst in the fight against organized crime. In conclusion, Joseph Massino, the notorious mob boss-turned-informant, forever changed the landscape of the American Mafia. His willingness to cooperate with law enforcement shattered the once unbreakable code of silence, prompting a shift in perspectives and strategies in dealing with organized crime. Regardless of how one views his actions, there is no denying the significant impact Joseph Massino had on the criminal underworld, leaving behind a complicated and enduring legacy.